The Great Guitar Build of 2021. This is my entry, at least the shortened version, the 15-minute version in which we go from beginning till end, with a little demo at the end. And yeah, I built a semi-hollow flying V with quite a few interesting design choices. I hope you enjoy the design and the build. And yeah, it's been a blast. This contest has kind of pushed me into well, making a YouTube channel, and I've been enjoying myself quite a bit. I learned so much in the last 2 months making these videos, so that's kind of cool, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna continue doing this. So if you enjoy this content, feel free to subscribe. There's gonna be some more coming for sure. Yes, and if you watch this between the 1st and the 5th of July, you'll be able to vote for me. I'll put a little link in the description as soon as I get it. Also, if you have some time to spare, you should definitely go watch the video series I made. It's 4 videos of 15 minutes each. There's a bit more explanation on the steps I took. The pace is not as hectic, and you can really enjoy the full build in an easier to watch pace. And yeah, hope you enjoy yourselves watching me do some stuff.
You've seen all my different eyes, but the state I'm in.
Okay, here we go. First cut.
A bit of truth tastes sweet and new. God will never know, but I'm sure that we will. Wasting time, take stages all by myself. If you kill this silence, I have taught you well. So burn the books and wish for a scar. Take me back to before it was done. And bring back the sun and show me my way. 'Cause rumor has it you're here to stay. Let's talk in tongues just like the first time we met. 'Cause 3 can't keep secrets, 2 of them are dead.
Nice.
We are the last of the kind. We couldn't see, but we're all out of time. I locked you in to see if.
More binding.
But you told me twice, there's no us in this. See, I could love you more, but like you less. They'll forgive us, but I won't forget.
Alright, let's get to the neck. So next up I'm gonna cut this in half so I can do a bit of lamination. Also I'm gonna make this a scarf joint.
Bring back my son and the last. This rumor has it you ran away. You're under the gun just like the last time we met. It's 2 can't keep secrets, 1 of them is dead. Don't forget how it started. I met you in a bottle. Let's agree we ain't sorry. So if you will, please burn in hell. Don't forget how
Never too many clamps. More binding.
The snow jams down this march to death. Underneath my breath I curse this life I've left behind. Rattling bones and hanging coughs, so I don't feel my loss no more. I'm numb, deaf, blind and dumb. What my mom once said, every prayer
My favorite Iwasaki resp.
it all as it seems. But it's winter now in the French Alps. Join the league.
And now it's time to, well, I haven't done the frets yet, so frets are next. And then I'll be carving the sides of the body. You'll see what happens. It's gonna be cool. And also joining the neck and the body, and then doing a carve for the axis to the higher frets.
Whiskey soaked and coming down, lost but not found. I can feel my skin, my life within. Dark and cold and wet tonight, my raging thoughts are flying. I've gone wild, yet still I smile. What my love,
Obviously, I savagely sliced into my finger.
young has its reason. Not an old man now, strides still.
Crimson fret rubbers, the abrasive of choice for the smart luthier.
Rattling lungs and smoking guns, I had to be here once to know that I live, being not forgotten. Settling scores and backing lots, my memory lost one gram of shame. My thoughts are tame. What my mom once said, every dog looks twice when he's leaving. It's a second glance, not a second chance. Join the league.
More binding.
Leaving tonight, he's torn me from
Now I'm gonna have to join the neck and the body.
reality, and together we escaped unwittingly to the cover of the crowd, to the hour where the word love is undressed from meaning.
And so it begins. Sanding, sanding, sanding.
And hand in hand we dance, twirling through the people, carried away by the lightness caused by the lack of expectations, mesmerized by the lights. Let me savor this pleasure so guiltily, ever so guiltily. 'Cause you said I was forgive me. Whoa, let me savor this pleasure so guiltily, ever so guiltily. 'Cause you.
Well, wasn't this a lot of fun? Now, the only thing that's left to do is to give you a little demo. So what I thought, since I don't have that much time, was to make a little song, do some double tracking, and then pan the different tracks on different sides. And each track has a different pickup configuration. Like this, if you take out one of your earplugs, or you remove one of the sides of your headphones, you can listen to an isolated track. On the bottom, I'll be putting the configurations and where you can listen to which. Or you can just listen to the both at the same time and enjoy how ridiculously cool my guitar sounds.